Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a eyeshadow tutorial using a pretty new palette from Colourpop. It is from their Colourpop Sailor Moon collection. This is what it looks like. I did purchase this when it first launched. I know right now it's out of stock. I know that they are going to be restocking, and I also know that the collection is available on Ulta and in Ulta stores. Last time I checked the website, pretty much everything was out of stock from the collection except for this palette. So if you're interested, just keep your eye on the Ulta website. I know going to stores is kind of rough right now with coronavirus and stuff, but I do know that Colourpop has announced that they will be restocking the collection on their own site. So maybe check them out as well and see. I'm not sure on the date, I don't remember it, but I do want to go ahead and create a look using this palette. But before we do that, I want to show you what it looks like. It's got that kind of changing like plasticky material, and then this is what it looks like inside. It is a beautiful 12 pan palette. There's lots of really pretty colors in here, pops of colors, transition shades. You can create some really nice looks using this. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit and get started with this tutorial. Alright, so the first color that I'm going to use is this one right here. It's called Moon Castle. It's probably my favorite shade in the palette. It's just a really nice kind of pink toned brown shade. It's really light, it's really pretty, and I'm gonna go in with the Farrah 35E brush and just kind of work this into my crease. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use Twilight Flash. It's like a peachy toned color, and I'm just going to work this into the crease as well, just kind of placing it on top of the shade that we just put down. Next, I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's called Miracle Romance. It's like a pinky, lilac-y purple tone, I guess. It's bright, kind of neon-y. It's really pretty. And I'm going to place this on the lid. I forgot to tell you what brush I used for that. I was using the Luxie 239 Precision Shader brush. Now I'm going to use this shade right here. It's called Luna. It's this kind of iridescent purple, really pretty, and I'm just going to kind of apply that into the inner portion of the eyelid, and I'm going to use that same brush from Luxie, the 239. So I also went in and put it in the inner corner because I thought it was really pretty and iridescent and shimmery. But for under the brow bone, what I'm going to use is this shade right here. It's called Silver Millennium, and it's actually one of their pressed, like their original shadows. So I'm going to go ahead and use that under the brow bone. This is more of a wet shade because it is their original formula, but it looks incredible. And now for the lower lash line, I'm going to use Moon Castle again, the first shade that we used, as well as Miracle Romance, that brighter purpley pink shade. And I'm just going to kind of smoke out the lower lash line using those two shades. And I'm using the SL Miss Glam short shader brush for this. Alright, so that is the completed eye look, well, for the eyeshadow. I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to do my mascara and lashes, and then I'll come back and use a product from the collection for the lips, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm back with the completed look. Hopefully you guys like it. I think that it's really pretty. It's really appropriate for spring. It's kind of gloomy where I live right now, but I love the pop of color. That purpley pink I think is really, really beautiful. I do really like this palette. I think that it's really versatile. You can create some really fun spring appropriate, summer appropriate, really anytime appropriate. You can just create some really fun looks using this palette, so I do really like it. I do want to share with you what I used for my eyeliner. It is from Wet n Wild and it's their breakup proof waterproof liquid eyeliner in ultra black, and it is a brush tip. So if you're a fan of Kat Von D tattoo liner, you'd probably really like this. It was like $3.99, $4.99. I think I got it at Ulta a few weeks ago. I'm really liking it. I think it has really great staying power. And then for my lashes, for my top lashes, I use the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, the waterproof one, because I have very watery eyes. I really like this. I think that it does a really good job lengthening and separating my lashes, but I do notice that when I wear it on my lower lashes, it does flake off. So I have been using the Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express waterproof mascara for that, and this is actually one of my favorite drugstore mascaras. So that's my mascara. Moving on to lips, I'm going to use the Ultra Glossy Lip from Colourpop in Sailor Moon. That's the shade, Sailor Moon. So it's just a really nice kind of peachy, gold, shimmery lip gloss. And let's go ahead and apply this to finish the look. Alright, so that is the completed look. This lip gloss is really nice. It feels really moisturizing. It's not sticky, however, it is a brush applicator, which I'm not a fan of to begin with, but this one was really, really stiff. Like it was just out of plastic is how it felt. Like it wouldn't move or budge at all. So I'm not a fan of the applicator, but the shade and the actual product I really do like. So again, check Colourpop. Check their website if you're interested in this collection. They've got 2 blushes with it. There's like 3 or 4 other lip products, and then some glitters as well. So this again is the completed look. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.